Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 24th, 2020.
Here are some upcoming events.
Thank you to everyone who has donated to the Mr. Bofici Education Fund. The total of donations now stands at $10,130. You can still donate to the fund if you would like by going to CesareRenoBofice.com. Many students and parents have created a heartfelt makeshift memorial to Mr. Bofici around the school's marquee. The beautiful memorial grows every single day. Thank you for doing this and for all your kind words on Facebook. If you purchase spring pictures, they will be mailed home to you next week. Ms. Karen asked me to tell parents that prom and middle school dance refund check have been mailed home. Seniors, we're working on a virtual graduation for you. We are also working on a virtual graduation for our 8th graders. Congratulations to Caitlin Aslan. She was selected by Miss T to receive a 2-year college scholarship. Caitlin said she will dedicate her college career to Mr. Bofici. If you have an incoming kindergartner for next year, we will have a virtual kindergarten roundup on Tuesday, May 12th at 11 o'clock a.m. or at 6 o'clock p.m. Parents who have registered will be sent an email with instructions on how to attend this online kindergarten orientation. Parents can watch a presentation and ask questions of teachers, staff, and administration. Make sure you add this event to your calendar if you have a child starting kindergarten in August. Ms. Dvorak asked me to tell you that the March and April Sharks of the Month will be posted in her Google Classroom next Thursday. Every child received an invitation to her classroom, so check it out. The Positivity Project also continues in her classroom, so you don't want to miss that. Here's Miss Murphy.
Hello, PBMA students and families. I'm Miss Murphy, the assistant principal at the middle and high school campus. I want to begin by saying that Mr. Bofici would be so proud of the way that you have participated and behaved during distance learning. Thank you for all the messages, flowers, and gifts at the schools and on the donation site set up in honor of Mr. Bofici. I sincerely thank you for the support you have shown for our teachers and staff during this unbelievable and difficult time. There is good news to share, and Mr. Bofici would want me to get to it. The last day for our high school seniors is May 15th. You've worked hard and you've earned it. Final exam week for seniors is from May 11th through May 14th. The exam schedule will be released soon, and we are looking at virtual graduation dates, so keep checking your Jupiter Ed messages. Students, please keep up with your virtual learning classwork. Progress reports are coming soon, so be proactive in your education and review your class information. For students in grades 6 through 11, final exams are set for May 18th through May 22nd, and the final day of school, May 28th. Thank you again to all of our PBMA students, families, and community members. Together, we will carry on Mr. Bofici's legacy and make him proud.
Coach C students have been participating in PE from home. Here are a few pictures and videos. Ms. Budu's art students have been using an art app to create some masterpieces. Let's take a look. Thank you everyone for all your hard work in light of this recent tragedy we have suffered. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information now more than ever. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.